Guys, Bitcoin hasn't seen a clear breakdown right here, and we might even see Bitcoin turning around because, as we shared on Twitter yesterday, the Dixie had a failed attempt of breakout, as you can see right here, where we have talked about in yesterday's video. And also the other signal on the S&P 500 was that we might bounce from this level on the relative strength index, which coincide with bouncing from the support right here, and we've seen that. So we didn't fill the gap right here, so most likely sooner or later we will come down again. However, in the shorter term time frame, things are actually starting to turn around. And that's also, guys, why it is so important for every single one of you to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. This is basically the Twitter account I'm most active on. But yeah, yesterday we are looking at a certain scenario, right? And then when things change, I don't have the time to create a complete new video about that, so I will just share like a print screen with a small text over on the Will Portal Twitter. So if you haven't done so already, guys, I would highly suggest to you to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. And guys, of course, always make sure to follow Will Portal over on YouTube as well, because we are sharing information right here, guys, which the real Wills don't want you to know. This is really information, I would say, not any other YouTube channels talking about this. If you understand all of these things, your trading game will significantly increase. You will have a kind of a feeling you're stepping out of the matrix from the earlier TA that you might be only doing. Of course, everybody who's watching this channel already longer, they have already more knowledge about that, but it's just a no-brainer, right? This is for free information, which is very, very valuable. Guys, today's video, I'm going to keep it short. It looked like Bitcoin broke down on the relative strength index, and right now we are retesting it. However, I don't see that evidence of that scenario in the Dixie, as we might see a breakdown, which means the breakdown for the Dixie would be bullish for Bitcoin. And we are seeing that bounce over on the relative strength index on the S&P 500. So far, things are actually looking good. I also want to bring out the Will Portal dashboard, of course, because we have seen something interesting yesterday. And if we go to the hourly time frame, then we can see that, during this period, we got negative funding rates. So the price of Bitcoin basically went up. Now the funding rates is slightly positive. But there's no clear direction as of now. Also, guys, it is weekend, and weekend price action is often not too extreme. And guys, normally the weekend price action on Monday or Sunday evening, depending on where you are, ends with the close of the Bitcoin CME future. So it's very normal. This level is at 1980, that at the end of this weekend we will be hovering around 1980, which we are doing right now as well. So therefore, weekend price action is not that significant if you ask me. But yeah, we could see the first signs of the preparation for next week. And as of now, if we lose the support on the Dixie, if we lose the uptrend on support on the relative strength index in the Dixie, we can surpass the high right here. That is the middle of this megaphone pattern in the S&P 500. Let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. That would definitely be bullish for Bitcoin and for all the risk on assets. Normally, if we break above the middle, as you can see, we get a nice rally. So I also expect this right now. If we break above the middle, to at least get a nice rally, relief rally in the S&P 500. Although with that gap below us, I still expect eventually the price to hit lower levels. But maybe short term, there might be a little bit more fuel right here for the bulls. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it on this Saturday. If so, make sure to drop that thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, guys, make sure to subscribe down below. We are bringing a lot of valuable knowledge, which is not available at different YouTube channels. And we are bringing it right here for free on a daily basis. Also, guys, for the ones that don't know Will Portal yet, I've been working already for 6 months on this trading dashboard, and this is just a trading dashboard that with a one page should actually be able to show you exactly what is going to happen in the shorter term time frame. Is price are going to go up or going to go down? And I would highly suggest every single one of you, before opening any trade over on Bitcoin or Ethereum, We also have Ethereum right here on Wheel Portal, to have a look at the Wheel Portal dashboard. And if this is a lot of information for you, which I can understand, I get a lot of people, a lot of messages. They say, yeah, I see all these charts, I don't know what they mean. I can understand that. We are working on a solution. We are working on something that will explain you exactly how to use these charts. But we already have a YouTube channel, the Wheel Portal YouTube channel, where I've already created a couple of videos for some of the charts out there, explaining exactly how you can use them. And guys, for example, the funding rates, a lot of people use them wrong. Like a lot of different channels that are looking at the direct funding rate, they basically use them wrong. And if you use them in that matter for a longer period of time, there will come moments that you will be fooled, basically, maybe get wrecked or lose a lot of money. At least that you don't truly understand how you can use these funding rates, because it's not as simple, negative go up, positive go down. There's a little bit more depth to it. That's what I'm explaining in this video. This is a very good chart to look at, the Bitcoin exchange balance. This is really a good chart. You can build a trading strategy only based on this chart, guys. I'm also explaining that in this video. And the premium index, that is just a crazy indicator, which I'm kind of confident in saying, guys, I have never ever heard any trader, unless it was a algorithm trading bot, which is trading arbitrage on multiple exchanges, to look at the premium index for your trading. This is a very killer indicator, I have to say. It's not flashing that often, but when it flashes, it can be a golden signal, basically. So guys, I would highly suggest everybody to follow Wheel Portal, watch these videos. It's all for free. I'm all creating this for free. The data on Wheel Portal is also all for free. There will be a VIP section later on. That is for every single one of you who is trading under our affiliate. So if you sign up on Bybit, VMix, PrimeXBT or BitGet with the affiliate link down below, you will be able to join the VIP section of Wheel Portal later, which gives you notifications and alerts, which is a little bit more than just the plain data that we are seeing right here. But the data, as you can see right here, will always be for free, because I just want everybody to have a better chance of getting a grip on the markets, becoming a better trader. This is just something I want to bring back to the community, but I also want to have an extra option, of course, for the ones that are supporting us to give them a little bit extra as well. So if you are trading under our affiliates, you will be able to get to enroll for that VIP section later on once it's finished, and we are working on that right now. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Watch all these charts, watch Bitcoin, watch Dixie, watch S&P 500. Weekend price action, gonna be most likely a little bit boring. Sunday evening, we are going to see more on Monday morning. I wish you all a great weekend, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.